What is Python used for? Times Python is used in data visualization to create plots and graphical representations. Times Python helps in data analytics to analyze and understand raw data for insights and trends. Times it is used in AI and machine learning to simulate human behavior and to learn from past data without hard coding. Times it is used to create web applications. Times it can be used to handle databases. Times it is used in business and accounting to perform complex mathematical operations along with quantitative and qualitative analysis. Modules and pip in Python. Module is like a code library which can be used to borrow code written by somebody else in our Python program. There are two types of modules in Python. 1. Built-in modules. These modules are ready to import and use and ships with the Python interpreter. There is no need to install such modules explicitly. 2. External modules. These modules are imported from a third-party file or can be installed using a package manager like pip or conda. Since this code is written by someone else, we can install different versions of a same module with time.